Here's the creek. Caught that bass at the first lake, but nothing else, so now we're here. The creek. What? What? The carp? Yep. You see it? Alright guys, here we go. Call a bluegill. It's shallow. Hmm? This little bluegill. Now I'm getting hooked.
Yeah, it is shallow, isn't it?
Got it. Yeah.
It's like the cleanest size I've seen it.
I know, it's really clear. Oh, got something big. Oh no, it's just a sunny. Good old creek fishing. Eating good in the morning. The rose. Ah, gosh. Maybe we'll get a carp fishing on the bottom like this. Right, I'm gonna try it. Alright, I'm gonna try it in a different spot. At least we're getting some more fish here. That bass was cool. You know, at the first spot, but nothing else was waiting. The water level's low. There are like carp and goldfish in here and suckers and a variety of things that we could catch if we're lucky. Oh, got something. Look at him. Oh. Oh, guy. Look at him. He didn't want to leave. Got something. Ah, it's a leaf. Bait's going too. What the heck is that? There's him with the worm. It's weird. There's him with the worm. That was him with the worm. Some bug. Got something. It's a nice bluegill. Not a bad one. What, did you break your other hook off?
Huh?
Why did you get that pole?
I broke off.
Yes. Here, I'm gonna do an underwater release on this one. The water's so clear. The heck is a weird hook set? Weird hook set. That hook set, I could top them out. Ah. Can't get it out. There we go. Got it. Yeah. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. He's so best. You see, there is fish over there. Pushed further. Got something. Look at him fighting in the clear water. Bats. Oh no. Oh, got a fish. Oh, what is this? Oh. That's kind of rare for in here. If I was at my other creek, I wouldn't be surprised, but they're not the most common in here. Pumpkin seeds aren't. Hold still. That's cool. Like my second one I've ever caught in here. I'm gonna get a release there. Not expecting a pumpkin seed. Could have done the release. Oh, they're swimming. They're swimming out nice and slow, which makes for a good release. Ah, darn. Back cast. Like a deer track or something. Weird looking footprint. Ew. That's gross. Look at that. There's like hydrilla or some aquatic vegetation amongst us. Guess we'll try it here. Here we go. Hopefully we can get something like a shiner back in here. Definitely a bit high. Usually I'm more room standing there. That's fine. Cast from up here. Watch out on the hook. A little morsel. One on the size 10 hook. Lob it off there. This spot can be good at times, bad at others, so don't really know until you try it. I think this is where the other spot was. It's right here and there. Grab more of them. Up thing. I think I see some land access. I always thought we need like here in the water, but I think we might be able to go through the woods. That's an issue. There's another stream. Never going back this far. Oh yeah. This looks calm. Where this log's blocking it. This looks okay. There you go. Oh, I know. Between these two trees. Looks good. Look at that, guys. Actually, beam something somewhere. Right there. Oh no, something is cold. Yeah, buddy. Nice calm spot there. Got something. There we go. Second fall fish of the whole year. First fish from this far back at the creek. A little fall fish. Buddy, it's alright. Bud. Hold still, bud. There we go, guys. No fall fish. Cute little noise at me. Oh no, he's fine. You're alright, bud. Dude. There he goes. Gosh, he wasn't even out that long. There's a bit. That's just a snack. Got something. What is this? It's a shiner this time. Look at this, guys. Another neat fish. I'm guessing a common shiner, probably. Hold still. Ah, bug. Don't want to stress them out too much. They're very sensitive. There we go, guys. Alright guys, let's get that back out there. Little spot. Back in the woods, never fished. Fished at the main creek a bunch, but here, never. Deep, very calm. Oh, got something, guys. What is this? It's another fall fish. No. Is this a fall fish or a shiner? That's a other shiner. It's cool. Cast them out there.
Okay.
Right, there we go, guys. Little shiner. Look at him. Right. Maddie, look.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice. I walked and found this calm spot. You see how calm it is? Her first fish on her new rod. Here, just hold it with the hook.
Okay.
My sister caught her first fish on her new rod, and that's a shiner.
One more. Got it. Oh,
There we go, a little common shiner.
oh, it's making noise.
Want me to get him?
Yeah.
There we go, guys. My sister's first fish on her new rod, a shiner. There he goes. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to just show you a little quick tutorial on the rig I was using, and also how to find fish in creeks, like how to find the deep holes and stuff like that. Alright guys, now you're going to need to make this rig. It's pretty simple, you know. There's some split shots. I like the reusable kind, the removable kind, so you know you can take them off. And then the hooks, I just use snelled hooks. Here's what it looks like. I believe it's a size 10 Aberdeen hook. But, you know, they don't need to be snelled. That's what I just, you know, had. So, there we go. And, it's simple, you know. You just got the hook and, you know, put the split shot on. The split shot I have on there is a little bit small. So, I'll show you the right size split shot. Alright guys, this would probably be a good size split shot. It's, you know, not too big, not too small, but depending on the flow, you know, you might need a big split shot or even a heavier type of weight or several big split shots if you're fishing like a more fast flowing, like maybe more of a river type thing. So, you know, this rig's not just, you know, for a creek, so it could really be used anywhere, but I'm just saying, you know, in a creek, you don't want too heavy, but also there can be some swifter current in a creek, so, you know, you don't want it too light. So, but the nice thing is, if you get these, the reusable split shots, you know, you can just take it off without having to cut your line or anything and try a bigger, smaller size, you know, depending on if the current's too fast or, you know, if you think it's too heavy and spooking the fish or something when you're casting it out and it's splashing. So, you know, try to use, you know, your best judgment on what size split shot to use. So, some examples I'll show. Let's start off with the first creek. So there's that spot I went to first, in that deep hole where like that drainage pipe goes in it. It's deep there, of course, any deep spot like that, heck yes, put your bait in there. And now that second spot I tried, also real sunny, really cool. You know, it's deeper. It's a deeper area. Now keep in mind, not always the whole creek is going to be deep. Sometimes you'll cast across it to a deep hole in the opposite shore, kind of like what I was doing in that second little spot where I caught that one bluegill. I'll put the footage up on the screen. Alright guys, now to the second creek. That first spot I threw my spinner in. That's usually a good spot. You know, I was throwing a spinner, so it kind of limits the species a bit. But that's definitely a good spot. Always below the spillway is going to be a good spot. Sometimes, you know, just wherever it's deep, look for a deep spot. But a lot of times below a spillway, that water is going to erode out the bottom and make it deeper, you know. Sometimes not, sometimes it will be. Just, you know, try to look and see how deep the water is. And if in doubt, cast. And, you know, then I walked back in the woods, tried some other deep-looking spots. Slow flow, deep-looking type spots are usually good. Yes. But also keep in mind, look at that spot I went to in the end, where I helped my sister catch her first fish on a new rod, that shiner. It's right below, kind of, the more slowerish. It's all kind of fast flowing under the spillway there, but if I had to pick what spot looks more fishy, I'd say right under that spillway where I was casting my spinner in the beginning, rather than, you know, in that spot. But that spot has a lot of shiners and sometimes a fall fish or a sunfish in there, so keep that in mind, you know. If in doubt, cast, and especially if it's a new creek, any spot you think looks even half decent, throw it in. You never know. You get to know your creek, you get to know what fish live in what holes, and you know, exploring creeks really fun. I really enjoy multi-species fishing. You never know what you're gonna catch. Shiners, chubs, sunfish, bass, crappie, perch. Who knows what you're gonna catch in the creek? That's what I love about it. And they don't really freeze usually unless you live somewhere really cold. So definitely I try creek fishing. I'll probably do a full tutorial video where I'm actually at a creek showing you the spots there, you know. Like walking, I'll start like maybe at the spillway, because a lot of the creeks I have, you know, are start at spillways below lakes, and you know, I'll show you from the spillway downstream, show you the spot that I personally would cast in. So if you want to see that video, you know, comment down below. And bye guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you like every one of my videos, please. I'm just asking you to do that, and subscribe. If you're watching my videos not subscribed, just please subscribe. It really would help me out to do that. Because of course, you know, the more subscribers, the better. And once you think you reach 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch hours, then you start getting paid, and I can, you know, maybe use some of that money to buy fishing stuff or something. So, thanks everybody for watching. Got something. Ah, it's a leaf.